Now, this is a very famous kata by Nida Fazli. Kata is basically 4 lines. Generally, a couplet will be finished in 2 lines, but a kata will require 4 lines to complete the message. Although you most likely heard only the last 2 lines of this kata. But I'm going to give you the full Monty, the entire 4 lines, because that's what this vlog does. बात कम कीजिए, ज़हानत को छुपाते रहिए. Robert Greene, in his 48 Laws of Power, the first thing he says is, never make your boss look worse. Always make sure you make him look better. And in other Laws of Power, he says, don't try to impress people unless it is really necessary. So that is the thought that Nida Fazli is also talking about here. Baat kam kijiye. As the Chinese premier used to say in the 90s, hide your strengths and bide your time. And that's what China did. Eventually now when Xi Jinping is in power, they really rocketed ahead. In 1990, India and China were at the same level in terms of per capita GDP, per capita income, and also in terms of GDP. Now China is almost 4 times India in terms of GDP, probably even 5 times now. In per capita income also they've zoomed ahead. So that's what, I think it was Deng Xiaoping who used to say, hide your strengths and bide your time. Similar thought here. बात कम कीजिए, ज़हानत को छुपाते रहिए. ज़हानत is your pratibha, your talent, your intelligence. So talk less. Unless it is required, don't talk. बात कम कीजिए, ज़हानत को छुपाते रहिए. Keep your talent, your intelligence hidden. ये नया शहर है, कुछ दोस्त बनाते रहिए. This is a new area for you, a new city for you, a new company for you. You can use it in any context, a new country for you. The best way to make new friends is not to intimidate them with your knowledge, with your talent, with your intelligence. So it's better to, that's another law of power that Robert Greene talks about. Appear the fool, it's better that way. Because the moment you appear intelligent or talented, people are going to hate you. So a very good way to make friends is to not intimidate people with your intelligence. For that you need to keep quiet. बात कम कीजिए, ज़हानत को छुपाते रहिए. ये नया शहर है, कुछ दोस्त बनाते रहिए. And then the lines that I'm sure you've heard. दुश्मनी लाख सही खत्म न कीजिए रिश्ते. Whatever the level of animosity, enmity that you have, don't completely break off ties. दुश्मनी लाख सही खत्म न कीजिए रिश्ते. दिल मिले या न मिले हाथ मिलाते रहिए. So human being is the only race which can shake hands and then murder. No other animal in the animal kingdom does it so with such deceit. So a human being who's shaking hands with you or hugging you might actually not hesitate to murder you the next moment. And that's the beauty of the human race. So he says it's important for you to survive. बात कम कीजिए, ज़हानत को छुपाते रहिए. ये नया शहर है, कुछ दोस्त बनाते रहिए. दुश्मनी लाख सही खत्म न कीजिए रिश्ते. दिल मिले या न मिले हाथ मिलाते रहिए. निदा फाजली.